just mowing away. Look at her, she gets it like on her whiskers and on her nose. She's so cute.
She's so messy.
Messy little kitty.
She's like, you try to eat your food without hands.
Ooh, let's see what she does when we put Mr. Llama near her food. Nee. Nee.